Hello students, in today's class we will give a demo on how to conduct two-way and three-way control of lamps. Okay, so this is the kit used for conducting the two-way and three-way control of lamps. So for conducting the two-way control of lamps, we will be using two-way switches. So this is the switch 1 and this is the switch 2. So switch 1 will be having 3 terminals, okay, A, B and the common point. Similarly, switch 2 is also having 3 terminals, C, D and the common point P. Okay, so when the switch 1 is in position A, so P and A will be connected. Okay, and when the switch 1 is in position B, P and B will be connected. So similarly, when the switch 2 is in C, C and P will be connected, and when the switch 2 is in D, D and P will be connected. So now I will explain how to do the connections by using the kit. So for doing the connections, connect the terminals A and C, connect the terminals A and C, and connect the terminals B and D. Connect the terminals B and D. From the common point of the switch 2, connect it to the lamp. Other end of the lamp, connect it to the neutral point. Okay, so now switch on the supply and switch on the SP switch provided in the kit. Okay, now connect switch 1 to the A position and connect switch 2 to the C position. Connect switch 1 to the A position and switch 2 to the C position. Okay, now the lamp will be in on condition because of the there exists a closed path. Okay, so now you change switch 2 to the D position. Switch 2 to the D position. Now the lamp will be in off condition. Okay, now you change the switch 1 to the B position. Okay, again the lamp will be in on condition. Now you change the switch 2 to the C position. Okay, now again the lamp will be in off condition. That means we can control the same lamp by using two-way switches in 4 ways. So 4 ways we can control the lamp by using two-way switches. So this is the circuit diagram. Okay, for this you can refer your manual, and this is the switching table. Okay, for this also you can use your manual, and you can see that when the switch 1 is in A, switch 2 is in C, your lamp is in on condition. When switch 1 is in A, switch 2 is in D, lamp is in off condition. When switch 1 is in B, switch 2 is in D, lamp is in on condition. And again when the switch 1 is in B and switch 2 is in C, the lamp is in off condition. Okay, so hence the given lamp can be controlled in 4 ways by using the two-way switches. Okay, thank you.